The Toshiba NSTA ExploraVision competition is very unique in that it is targeted to grades K through 12 for engineering design processes. We meet the students where they are. The K through 3 students submit their projects online through a storyboard, and so they're able to hand draw, use illustrations, and write information about the engineering design process. Our grades 4 through 6 students have 2 options. They can actually follow the engineering design process through a manuscript research paper-based format, or they can take advantage of a presentation style by utilizing Microsoft PowerPoint or Google Slides in that particular type of innovation format. The Toshiba NSTA ExploraVision competition is unique because it's targeted to grades K through 12. There are opportunities to engage students at very young ages, and we do know research studies show early engagement in science is going to promote innovation, learning, and analytical skills that are applicable to any field that the students want to get in. So we encourage curiosity and innovation, especially for the younger grades.